Good morning. Welcome back to our adventures in Moorea. This is day 3. Wait, is day 3?
I don't know.
Whatever. Yesterday was a full day. We took a boat to a private island, we toured an overwater villa, and we took a scooter adventure. Let's do this! Today is going to be just as full as we are taking a 6-hour snorkeling tour. We're gonna go snorkeling with sharks and stingrays. I am so excited. But first we are getting some breakfast here at the Hilton, and I really need some coffee, so if you'll excuse me. Look at our breakfast view.
Went for a little eggs Benedict. We got some crepes, a little fried rice, breakfast sausages. Got a little muesli.
A few moments later.
All right, here we go. Let's go.
Our transport has arrived.
Is it really a trip to the islands if you don't ride in the back of a truck?
So far. 2.5 minutes later.
All done.
Back to sunshine. These guys get a 5 out of 5 rating on TripAdvisor, and the tours are no more than 12 people, so you're not going to be stuck on a boat with 50 of your closest friends, which we've done before, and it's not fun.
And we saw those tours yesterday.
Yeah.
And it looked terrible, so this is better.
Yeah, we're not doing that. Oh, it's so cool, look at it.
Yeah.
And already, just from the boat, we've seen a ton of sharks and stingrays, and it's about time to get in the water. I'm kind of scared. How are you feeling about this?
Good. Ready?
Yeah?
A little scared. A lot of emotions.
I think it's time for lunch, which I am excited because I'm hungry. Swimming really works up an appetite. Peeling coconuts. I'm not doing it. They're doing it.
Is that how many coconuts we're having? Three?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good.
Make Gilligan proud.
Thanks. The skipper would approve. You can hear it.
We hit in the middle.
Look how perfect that is. So good opening coconuts. After we opened a few coconuts, our guide showed us how to shred the meat. Next, we headed down to the water to make poisson cru. First, he squeezed the shredded coconut through some cheesecloth to make coconut milk.
So now I put a little bit salt. Why? Because I don't have any salt. So the salt I don't.
It's better than a salt shaker, right?
Then he added lime, coconut milk, and raw vegetables before giving us our first taste.
Try some more coconut. Three more. One coconut per couple.
It's so good.
Try apuhari.
Wow, that is really good.
Huh?
Wow.
And then finally, lunch was served. After lunch, Kevin got a souvenir. It was custom made.
How's it going, Gal?
All good, baby. A little rain.
It is margarita day here at the bar, and it's also happy hour, so we will be getting margaritas. We got them. Mine is mango, and he got passion fruit. Lilikoi, as they say. Good news is I got in the hammock by myself without falling out. The bad news is, well, there is no bad news. I'm in a hammock under a palm tree in French Polynesia, so there's no downside. Okay, we are on our way to the Polynesian dinner. I'm so excited. I love Polynesian culture. I love going to luau's in Hawaii. I know it might be a little cheesy and maybe a little inauthentic, but I still like it. I'm obsessed with tiki culture. Suit me. Also, I decided to put makeup on for the first time that we have been on this trip. I've had nasty hair and no makeup, and it's been awesome. That is the type of trip that I love. Are at the Polynesian Dinner here at the Hilton. They have it on Wednesday night and Saturday night. Reservations required. It is 9,500 Pacific francs, which is about $95 or so at the time we recorded this. It includes one cocktail and a buffet dinner, which they have everything here. Suckling pig, roasted beef, and the desserts are about this long, so there's lots and lots of desserts to enjoy. It looks like a pretty good offering. I'm excited to eat way too much food. So I just got my first plate from the buffet. It is heavy with seafood. I got sushi, I got poisson cru. I'm now in love with poisson cru, and I'm gonna try to find it somewhere in LA. But it's turning out to be a really nice night. That is the conclusion of the Polynesian Dinner show here at the Hilton Moorea, and it was so much fun. It was really good.
Yeah, it was a great show.
The buffet was awesome, especially that dessert table, and then the dancers came out with the music for an hour, which is so crazy because I don't know how they sustain that for a whole hour.
Yeah, I can't even imagine.
Now, it's not completely lost on us that it is a show for tourists put on by a brand name resort here on the island, but it's still fun to see a little bit of Polynesian culture, and it has a special place in my heart. It was really fun. We enjoyed it a lot.
Yeah.
10 out of 10 recommend. Today is cut. Okay. Hi, is the mic on? Hello.
The wasabi you got there, Cal.
I'm a big fan of wasabi, although this stuff is pretty killer, so let's see.
Pull it together, you're in a public place.
Look at that. And then that. And then back to that. And then my face.